Hello and welcome back to iPhone Made Simple. If your iPhone has started to feel a little slow or sluggish lately, you're not alone. In this video, I will show you a few simple things that can help your iPhone feel faster and smoother to use. Nothing we look at today will harm your iPhone or delete anything important. Section 1. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often improve performance. It clears temporary background issues. This is completely safe to do. Section 2. Free up storage space. If your storage is nearly full, your iPhone may feel slower. Open Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Freeing up some space can help things run more smoothly. I also have a separate video about freeing up storage space. Section 3. Keep software updated. Software updates often improve performance and fix bugs. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Section 4. Too many apps open. You don't usually need to constantly close apps. iPhone is designed to manage apps automatically. Most slow iPhone problems are caused by small temporary issues. Simple steps like these can often make a noticeable difference. I post simple iPhone tips like this each week to make everyday use easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.